Have you ever seen those huge numbers on YouTube? People making insane profits? Well, naturally, we've been asked if that's real or not. I'll make it easy for you and say yes. Those numbers are absolutely real, even if some people aren't entirely honest. But affiliate marketing remains one of the most profitable freelancing fields, and I'm sure many of you would agree with me on that. Now, of course, this type of work requires time and persistence to get those nice results. One of the most successful people in affiliate marketing, Andrew Tate, who doesn't need an introduction, is proof of this. This course is the ultimate guide to how real this business is, and the growth of thousands of affiliate marketing platforms shows just how big this field is. And if you check the websites of major companies like Adidas or Nike, you'll see they have dedicated affiliate marketing sections. This is a clear sign that affiliate marketing has become an integral part of their success in the e-commerce world. So, whether you're a fan of this field or just thinking about getting into it, today I'll walk you through a full and innovative strategy on how to start affiliate marketing from scratch. We'll dive into the details in this video, so let's get started with the practical steps. Let's first break down affiliate marketing for those new to the field. It's essentially promoting a product that we don't own but belongs to a company. Every time a sale is made through our efforts, we earn a commission, which is agreed upon beforehand. It's a win-win for everyone. The company boosts its sales, and as an affiliate marketer, I earn a commission without even needing to create or manage the product. Now, the first thing we need to do is choose a niche. Ideally, it should be something we're passionate about or knowledgeable in, because that will help keep us motivated in the long run without getting bored. And with that in mind, here's a list of some of the most profitable niches in affiliate marketing. You can pick one and start with it. After selecting your niche, the next step is to research products within that niche. When searching, be a bit precise. You can use any platform you're comfortable with, whether it's ClickBank, ShareASale, or anything else. Just make sure to follow the process I'm about to show you. I'm going to choose the health niche and implement my strategy on ClickBank. If you don't have an account, make sure to sign up. And if you do, just log in. Head to the marketplace page where all the products are listed. Typically, the products will be organized by niche on the left side of the screen. I'll click on the health niche and look for a product that has a reasonable price, ideally between $40 to $80, so my commission will be higher. That's the first condition. The second condition is that the product page should have video content promoting the product. This is a very important point. Nowadays, every successful product has videos to increase the chances of conversion, and we're going to use those videos to promote our affiliate link as much as possible. Usually, at the bottom of the product page, you'll find these videos, and some products have over 100 videos. You can download them and repost them, as I'll show you shortly. After you select a product, ClickBank will give you a unique affiliate link. Copy and save it, as we'll use it later in the promotion process. Now that the product is ready, we only need to promote it daily. There's one more step that's optional, but highly recommended. It's creating your own website to feature the product, with blog posts explaining it in detail. If you are interested to know how to build a website for free without any coding knowledge, leave me a comment and I will do a separate video for you. Now, let's move on to the daily work needed to promote the product. This will take about an hour. The first thing you need to do is create accounts on various social media platforms, with the main ones being YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. But most of our work will be on YouTube, and then you can repurpose your content across other platforms. We'll start by creating a new YouTube channel. I'll be using ChatGPT to help generate ideas for the channel's name and descriptions. I'll ask it for suggestions. Pick one and use it to create a professional-looking channel, complete with profile banners. Next, I'll head to Canva, where I can find YouTube profile kits for my niche, in this case, keto diet. I'll look at the available templates, customize them, and download them to use for my channel. After that, I'll add my affiliate link to the channel. Now the channel is ready. I'll start uploading the free videos I downloaded from ClickBank. These videos should be uploaded in sequence, from the first one to the last, to keep a consistent flow. Then I'll head back to ChatGPT to generate 5 potential video title ideas for my product and pick the best one. I'll also request a description for the video. Next, I'll use again Canva to design my video thumbnails by customizing free YouTube templates with my chosen and title. After uploading the video, I'll add the title and description I generated. And don't forget to mention at the beginning of the description that if viewers want to get the product, they should click on the affiliate link. Finally, I'll include tags related to the product. One last important thing. YouTube might flag the videos for copyright, but since you're not monetizing the channel, it doesn't matter. The goal is to get the videos out there and start gaining traction. We can also repurpose these long videos into shorts and share them on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Simply use a tool that converts long videos into shorts, such as Opus Clip. You upload your video, and the tool will cut it down into short clips, complete with titles. Try this strategy, because content-driven affiliate marketing is the new wave. Don't get discouraged. It takes time, certainly more than a week or two, but the results are worth it. I hope today's video gave you some valuable insights, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. I'll see you in the next one.